Good day everyone. So this is the group oral presentation of group 7. The equation, a vessel from latitude 35 degrees 27 minutes north, longitude 139 degrees 39 minutes east, to sail latitude 37 degrees 48 minutes north and the longitude of 122 degrees 20 minutes west. Find the GCD, D long, initial course angle, initial course to final course angle, and the final course to. So first we need to get the difference in latitude and difference in longitude. So how to get the difference in longitude or DLAT? I mean difference in latitude or DLAT. So to get the latitude, difference of latitude, we need to get the latitude 1, which is 35 degrees 27 minutes north, and the latitude 2, which is 37 degrees and 48 minutes north. So in formula, the formula of great circle ceiling is, if it is same name, we need to subtract. So this is our calculator. We need a cycle or scientific calculator to compute. So 35 degrees and 27 minutes minus 37 degrees 48 minutes, and the result is 2 degrees 21 minutes south. So here, and so why it is south? Because in rule in finding DLAT, when the names of the two latitudes are the same, subtract the smaller latitude from the greater latitude and name it according to its direction. So its direction is south, so that's why we name it south. 2 degrees and 21 minutes south. That's our DLAT. And how to get the D long? So to get D long, same as DLAT, we need to find the longitude 1 and longitude 2. So the longitude 1 is 139 degrees and 39 minutes east, and our latitude 2 is 122 degrees and 20 minutes west. So in the rules of finding DLAT or DLO, or same as finding DLAT, if the name of latitude 1 and 2 is the same, we need to subtract, and if it is different name, we want to add it. So there's our cycle 139 degrees and 39 minutes east. So they have a different name, we need to add it. 122 degrees 20 minutes west. So the result will be here, 261 degrees 59 minutes. So the sum is more than 180. So in the rules on finding DLO, when the sum is more than 180, we need to subtract it to 360 degrees. So 261 degrees 59 minutes minus to 360 degrees. So the result will be here, 98 degrees and 1 minute is east. And same to getting DLAT, the naming, so it is according to its direction. So we finished the DLAT and we finished getting DLAT and DLO, so we go to finding GCD.
A pleasant day, sir. I'm Decadent Joseph A. Snalos, and here is the part of my report, which is the GCD. So first, I will give you the formula of GCD. So the formula of GCD is cosine latitude 1 times cosine latitude 2 times D low, and then plus minus sine lat 1 times sine latitude 2. So as the given is kanang gihatag na daan ang given, so we can easily compute, and then na naman sa tayo formula, so makakompute na taan ni dayo. So here's the solution. cos 35 degrees 27 minutes times cos 37 degrees 48 minutes times cos 98 degrees 1 minute minus sine 35 degrees and 27 minutes times sine 37 degrees 48 minutes. So first you will get the which is that one and cos kaning first part you will get first, and then second is you will get the sine 35 degrees 27 minutes times sine 37 degrees 48 minutes. After you you compute, and as you can see, the answer of the first part is the 0.08977, and then you will subtract it to the last part, which is the sine. And then after you subtract that, you will get the answer, which is the 0.26571, and then you will shift cos into 74 degrees and 35 minutes, and then the answer is 74 degrees 35.5, and you will times it into 60. So our GCD here is 4,475.5 nautical miles. So that's the only thing na makuha na to na through this formula of GCD. So that's all, sir. Thank you and God bless.
Hi sir, good day. I am Decadent Undangan Rocky Vincent. So our topic for today is how to solve initial course angle. And so formula in getting initial course angle. Cos initial course angle equals sine latitude 2 minus open cos GCD times sine latitude 1. Close over sine GCD times cos latitude 1. So our latitude 1 is 35 degrees 27 minutes. And our latitude 2 is 37 degrees 48 minutes. And our GCD is 74 degrees 35.5 minutes. So our solution is sine 37 degrees 48 minutes minus open cos 74 degrees 35.5 minutes times sine 35 degrees 27 minutes. Close over sine 74 degrees 35.5 minutes times cos 35 degrees 27 minutes equals 0.45887 over 0.78534 equals 0.58,429. Shift cos 54 degrees 14.8 minutes equals north 54 degrees 14.8 degrees east. So our initial course angle is equals north 54 degrees 14.8 minutes east, and our initial course through is equals 54 degrees 14.8 minutes through.
Hello everyone, hello sir, I am Decadent Chan Christopher Mablas, and from here on out we are going to discuss about the formula on getting the final course angle and the final course through. So the formula for the final course is we have sine lat 1 minus parentheses cos great circle distance times sine lat 2 over sine GCD times cos lat 2. Now we are going to substitute our formula with our corresponding answer. So we have sine lat 1, so that is sine 35 degrees 27 minutes minus cos GCD, which is 74.35.5 times sine 37 degrees 48 minutes, or the sine lat 2 over sine 74.35.5, which is our GCD, and times cosine 37 degrees 48 minutes. So if you have noticed that we are not using nautical miles for our great circle distance, that's because according to the rule, when we are using this formula, the GCD must be in degrees. So using our scientific calculators, we are going to carefully input our formula so that we will be having these following answers. So using our calculators, we will come up with our answers, which is 0.41714 over 0.676175. So we're going to press enter. So we will be having 0.54761. But this is not the final answer yet. We want it in this degree form. So we're going to input it. We're going to press shift cos. We're going to input our answer earlier, which is 0.54761. And we're going to press enter. So the answer is 56.7967970. And we're going to press our degree button here so that we will be having the degree form. So we will have our answer, which is 56 degrees, 47 minutes, and 8 seconds. So for the naming of our answers, we have S57. So for the naming of our answers, we have S 56 degrees 47.8 minutes east. So we're using south because it is contrary to our lat 2, which is north. And we're going to use east because it is similar with our D long. So our final answer is south 56 degrees 47.8 minutes east. So now that we have our final course angle, we can now solve for our final course true. So how do we get this? So we're going to follow the quadrant which has north, east, southwest, where if northeast, we're just going to use as is. But if southeast or east to south, we're going to subtract it with 180 degrees. Another, if southwest, we're just going to add 180 degrees. But if it's northwest or northwest, we're going to subtract it with 360 degrees. So we are in our south and east quadrant, so we're going to subtract it with 180 degrees. So we're going to input 56 degrees, 47.8 degrees minutes minus 180. So we will come up with 123 degrees, 13 minutes. And that is our true course. So there you have it, guys. We have our final course angle, which is south 56 degrees 47.8 minutes east, and our final course true is which is 123 degrees 13 minutes true. So that's all. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. I hope you have understood with our presentation. Good night.